pagkasalot ang mga guro gikan sa kusyon sa o ang piyesa.
in your soul, take it overflows with joy. Through years alone.
Namuntan sa tanan.
Medyo napunta.
Padayon na sinabi ang kaayo ninyo na ang tawagon Guro sa Reverend Father Jonathan Gartin aron sa pagbasa sa Friday Judging alang niining preliminary round sa Surigao North Tenerife atong pinasilan.
Thank you, Father Mike. Once again, good morning sa tanan. Let me read to you the criteria for this 15th preliminary round for the Diocesan Choral Festival. Number 1, originality of music. This deals with the music itself. So when we talk about originality of music, so of course, narawan or kinahanglan na ipasara siya sa original na music or tone. Then to make sure that it has no similarity with other music, also for at least 2 measures to avoid plagiarism, which is punishable by law. It means newness. The quality of newness that exists in something not done before or not derived from anything else. So, ang criteria number 1, nag-emphasize o nagpasabot na atong ipangkanta niya original na uno. So, wala yung kapareha. Then number 2, theological message. This deals with the lyrics, theologically message, and its consistency with the diocesan theme means relating or to using, engage, or typical of theology. So, ang atong lyrics, kinahanglan, nakasintro, nakabase sa atong 2025 diocesan theme. Kung makita sa atong kilig. Then number 3 is singing techniques. There's the vocal quality of the choir, especially on how they manage, balance, and clarify of voice, dynamics, and also interpretation. It means the techniques of producing musical sounds with the voice or the performance of song. So, diha sa number 3 criteria, atong nasangkan, atong masabot, nga singing techniques na emphasize may tuod sa nagkalangin-langin na pagkahinuna o depende na sa mag-acquire group kung saan nila pagpahalindot sa ilang singing techniques. Then last nga criteria number 4 is the performance level. Then, so the manner in which something or somebody functions, operates, or behaves, the way in which somebody does a job, judged by its effectiveness. So, atong masabtan na ikaw pa na criteria, of course, ang atong performance during sa atong pag-perform sa matag sa mga sa pamay ng tawag sa mga